Hello, if you want to set up the hotspot on POCO X7 Pro, first of all we need to go to the settings, then choose more connectivity options, and then at the top you will find portable hotspot. You can tap on this option, then you can enable the portable hotspot, and that is essentially it. However, of course, you should also go to set up portable hotspot below in order to find the name of your network, as well as the password. You can tap on this eye icon on the right side in order to reveal the password. You can also tap on the password in order to change it, so you can modify it in order to make it a little bit easier or perhaps harder to guess. And once you are done with the changes, of course, you need to press this tick in the top right corner. There we go. After that, the hotspot will restart. You can also create the QR code that will be used in order to, of course, share the access to the hotspot if needed. And you have some additional options in the setup as well, like you can choose the security, the AP band, and so on and so forth. So keep that in mind. And if you want to disable the hotspot, simply tap on this switcher once again. Now, if you go back to the settings after setting up the portable hotspot, you will have quicker access to it because it will reveal itself in the main settings page. So instead of going to more connectivity options, you can just simply go over here to portable hotspot. And furthermore, if you go to the quick settings, over here also you should be able to find the option to turn on or off the hotspot. However, it might not be accessible by default, so therefore you can press edit button at the bottom of the screen. And now over here we need to find the option for the hotspot. There we go. It is over here. I was looking for it for a second. So you can tap on it in order to add it. Of course, you can also drag and drop it anywhere you wish it to be. And then you can press this check. And now you can quickly enable and disable hotspot by using this button. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.